So now let's work around with the education section inside of Wix ADI. So over here, let me just press the plus icon right over here. And then the other option you have is education, which is similar to experience till now in a layout. So there's academic experiences, as you can see right over here. So just choose the layout that you're interested in and it'll be added on to the section right over here. And over here, you can see that you can name this out. So let's say, for example, I'm going to change academic experience into academic qualifications right over here. You can format it out or disable the section entirely. You can also add in description of your university, what you studied in. You can also add in media, let's say, for example, a paper, like a video or something. You can also add in a header button to contact the university and so forth. So just like experience, there are degree and school name right here. So you can click on this and change this out. For example, you can say something like Bachelor's of Arts right over here. And let's say the school name is Cal Arts right over here, just like that. And you can change this out, add in the dates and description right over here. Also work around with the media and button right over here. You can also create an entirely separate page out of this item, as you can see, to add in more details onto this. So if we were to click on this, what happens is that new page is created along with the details for that particular degree, as you can see right over here. You can come back to the page right over here and edit it further, add in button to link to that page as well. So now that is how you work with education section. And if you want to change the design, then you just go to design right over here. And there's different sections, for example, like this, which you can choose from. So if you were to click on academic qualifications right here, it's designed like this, as you can see. And if you were to go over here, choose this one, then it changes out just like that, as you can see. So that is how you can work with the education section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.